These great quotes encapsulate big ideas in few words. They inspire, motivate and encourage into your financial prosperity. Number 1, idea. Lack of money is no obstacle, but lack of an idea is an obstacle to the bottom line of your aspiration. Number 2, taking risk. To succeed in business, you must take risk. Even if you fail, that is what makes you best. There has never been, and will never be, a successful businessman who did not fall on the ice. Number 3, saving. A penny may seem to you a very undistinguished thing, but it is the small seed from which fortune spring. Number 4, perspective. Wealth is largely the result of habit. The way to wealth depends on just 2 words: industry and frugality. Number 5, faith. What is keeping you from being rich? In most cases it's simply a lack of belief. Number 6, budgeting. This is telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Number 7, passive income. To get rich, you have to be making money while you are asleep. Number 8, character. God gave me my money. I believe the power to make money is a gift from God, to be developed and used to the best of our ability for the good of mankind. Number 9, time. The only difference between a rich person and a poor person is how they use their time. Number 10, investment. Compound interests is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it, he who doesn't, pays it. Number 11, self-development. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Also, wealth is the product of man's capacity to think outside the box. Number 12, be inspired. You can only become truly accomplished at something you love. Don't make money your goal. Instead, pursue the things you love doing. Number 13, control the market. All wealth comes from adding value, from producing more, better, cheaper, faster, and easier than someone else. Numbers 14, blueprint. You want to look at your purpose in life. You want to find that meaning within. Number 15, accountability. You must assume 100% responsibility for your financial life. Number 16, self-development. Think that much of the advice given to young men about saving money is wrong. I never saved a cent until I was 40 years old. I invested in myself, in study, in mastering my tools, in preparation. Number 17, comfort zone. You never change your life until you step out of your comfort zone. Change begins at the end of your comfort zone. Number 18, opportunity. If a window of opportunity appears, don't pull down the shade. Number 19, sacrifice. Great successes require greater sacrifice. The speed of your success is limited only by your dedication and what you're willing to sacrifice. Number 20, building bridges. When you empower others, you empower yourself. When you empower yourself, you empower others. I hope you find this helpful. Kindly subscribe for update on this channel for next intriguing videos. Thanks for watching.